What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out every single video, share them, annoy your friends or annoy your family. Link for the Discord is below, so check that out if you wish. And let's get into this one, man. So I decided a lot of people are not unique and everyone looks the same. So I decided myself I'm going to help people. I'm actually going to help style you people, low key. So I've seen like a million tech fleece tracksuits around. But if I'm honest, this is where you get bang for your buck. So quality on point, fitting on point, everything on point. I'm not getting paid a single penny to say this. This is truly 100% my thoughts. I would love to get paid by this company. I would love to get some money off my videos, but let's get straight into it. So this is gstar. We've got here a gstar tracksuit. So this is called a gstar premium core tracksuit. And so the reason I'm saying it's amazing is because I've actually had a tracksuit. I've worn it many times. I've put it through the wash many times. So I decided to buy more because the quality 10/10, everything about the tracksuit's 10/10. The fits, for example, if you want it fitted, like slim fit, whatever, go for your regular size. So mine will be a large. It's just the information here. So premium core HDD SWLS, so that just means premium core hooded sweatshirt, long sleeve. And then the color on this one is Sartho blue, so it's like a navy, very nice navy. Size L for large. Euros, 79 euros, 80 British pounds. gstar.com. This was actually purchased slightly cheaper, so it was around 50 quid, so even more bang for your buck. That's the gstar tag on the hoodie. Then we've got, again, this is going fitted fit, so like same as your Nike sizes, etc. Premium core type C sweat pant, and then again Sartho blue, size XL. And the price on this, which is kind of odd because it doesn't match up to the euros, but yeah, the euro 79.95, so if you're in Europe you're getting bumped. GBP is £65, which I love when joggers cost less. So 80 and 60, 65. Personally, I didn't pay that much. I paid about 50, let's say 50 for the top and about 45 for the joggers, so £95, which is roughly the price of a pair of tech fleece joggers if you're gonna just compare them. But I absolutely love just the fitting of this. So I've got tracksuits, a lot of people know I like to buy a tracksuit that fits nice and a tracksuit that is oversized. So if you want it oversized, go up one size. So I'll buy XL on the top and 2XL on the bottoms, and it'll fit looser, which I will be doing in one of these as well. And the cuff is quite different, but you know what it is? It's so nice. It cuffs, but it goes up, so it's like kind of an extended odd cuff. It's like that. There's the same thing on the hoodie, so the cuff is slightly different, but you know what? It doesn't make a difference in the fit or anything. It actually, it drops nicely, man. A very, very nice tracksuit. We've got the gstar raw, so G raw, and then we got it again here. Very simple, very plain. I'm talking bang for your buck, man. With the hoodies, I've got one with the zip. I've got this one as well, which is like the pull over. I prefer the pull over way more. I don't know why. It's just so good, man. It fits nicely, so when you want the slim fit, you can have the slim fit. If you want the oversized fit, you can have oversized fit. And if you look on third-party websites, or you shop around a bit, you may be able to find it different, or cheaper, I should say. So I do know that there's some sizes, so if you're a smaller size, you can get it kind of cheaper on the hoodies, because I've seen them for about 45 quid. So the same cuff material we've got here, like an in panel on the inside. So that'll be like on your side. Oh man, I love this tracksuit. I need to be sent like 10 of these from G-Star, please, man. I think I'm the only person that's ever probably even reviewed the G-Star tracksuit on YouTube. But yeah, people, man, amazing tracksuit. I'm talking serious bang for your buck here. It will wash well, it won't shrink, it will stay sized. And what I love about it is like it's got a softness, it's got a quality to it, and that quality will actually stay through washes, so it stays soft. Like it doesn't, you know how some tracksuits when you wash it becomes a bit rough or like sandpapery, a bit hard. This stays soft. Like as long as you wash it correctly, it will stay soft, so you will get a proper bang for your buck. The color won't run. Like I've bought a black one, plain and black. Color has not run at all. That's why I'm recommending it to everyone else. So you know, if you're a lucky person that's been watching this video and you're gonna go out and buy yourself one of these tracksuits, the fit is 10/10, quality is 10/10. I'll be honest, it's one of the basics I think everyone should have. You know, like, not saying it if you can't, you know, if you can't afford it or anything like that, don't force yourself to buy one, but definitely if you can, have a look at buying one. And especially compared to like tech fleece tracksuits, those I'm moving away from. This is my new basic. I'm actually going to end up exposing my whole wardrobe on these videos, yeah, and then when I'm outside, people will actually be like, oh, it's him. But yeah, I hope that doesn't happen. Let me know what you think of the tracksuit. You know, it's plain, you can't really say you don't like it. It's plain, bro. Yeah, plain navy, very nice, soft, premium materials. You do need to get it in hand to actually see what the quality is. You need to wear it to see how soft it is, how relaxing it is. Definitely if you're a frequent flyer, you know, if you go to airports a lot, get yourself one of these, man. It's amazing. But yeah, let me know what you think of the tracksuit. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know if you want to see more. Recommend things, people, man. Please recommend stuff, because sometimes I run out of ideas and I don't know what to put up. And yeah, recommendations are greatly appreciated. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you show your friends, tell your friends. Or if you want to gatekeep, don't tell your friends, because, you know, it's a secret about it, allegedly. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. I will definitely try to stop rambling, and I'll definitely try to release some videos with it worn, so you know exactly how the fits are, like compared to true to size and oversized. But yeah, take care, my people.